Hello, friends. I thought I would just do a quick video because I am going to put this beautiful cover on my binder. Recently, I was watching a video from this channel called Ariana Loves to Study, and so check out her channel. I love her videos. She often has like really fun journaling supplies and things that she uses in her Bible. And she's really quite sweet. Anyways, she was putting a cover on one of her compact Bibles, I think it was, and I noticed that she had like this shiny, pretty looking sticker paper, and my mind was literally blown. I was like, wait, what? And I had just it never occurred to me to look at that. And she said it was transparent holographic sticker paper, and my mind was like, what? I need that. I need that in my life. And so it came, and of course I had to try it out, but look at that. Isn't that so pretty? That I need things like this in my life. It literally makes me so happy. I love pretty things, I love sparkly things, I love shiny things. And so I thought, let's just try out. I wanted to use it on something that I already had saved in my Canva because I didn't want to take a lot of time. And I thought, well, you know what? I use my systematic theology binder often, and I have a cover because I've been making a study guide with many different documents and pages and things that I've been using for myself inside my binder. And of course, any kind of study guide you make, it needs a cover. So I made myself a cover. This was like months ago, but it's like, you know what? Let's put that on the front of my binder, and then I'm probably going to add other decorations later, but I thought let's just start with this and see how that goes. I got this off Amazon. It comes like this, and it has some tips and whatnot on here, but I think it was like 22 sheets. But it is just so pretty. I was kind of like afraid. I wasn't sure, I didn't want to get one and then it not work. So I did look at several and read reviews and stuff, but like, isn't that so pretty? I love it. I love it so much. I really, really love it. Okay, so I printed this and I made my cover. I printed it on the setting of photo glossy paper, and then I cut off already with my paper cutter a little bit of edge, and it printed fine. It seemed to have at the very last moment got a tiny bit stuck. It might not have been totally flat in my printer, and a little bit of ink sort of was pooling up a tiny bit on the edge. You can see here, but it was fine. I just wiped it off and then cut this off. And so now I'm just going to stick this on here and see how that goes. I also have my wallpaper smoother that I've used for projects. I'm like, I don't know, maybe I might use it so air bubbles don't get stuck on here. I'm a little nervous about that part, but let's just give it a go and see what happens. The one I got is not transparent. I wanted to give this one a try, and then I'm probably gonna buy more because I think it is just so fun. So I'm trying to roughly line it up, but honestly, I'm probably gonna add stickers and all kinds of stuff all over the cover so it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't even know if I need this smoother. It seems like it's quite thick. Okay, yeah, there's a little bubble coming. I'm literally obsessed. Like, oh my. I love it. Look how shiny it is. Wow. It's awesome. It's so funny how little things like that just bring me so much joy. I love it. I am literally obsessed. I love that. I love, love, love. I want to get glittery ones now. I need all of the sticker paper. I have been using sticker paper in my Bible and stuff for printing all kinds of things just on plain white sticker paper. And I add maps and graphs and notes and things that I create in Canva. But this holographic paper is a first for me. And wow, this is bringing me so much joy. I love it. So I know this is a bit of a different video. I'm not much of a decorate my Bible or planner or binder or any of those things, but it was just too fun not to share. I love it. And you guys, if you know of any other fun type things like this, please let me know, because little things like this actually bring me so much joy. I love beautiful things and really feminine and pretty and like sparkly things. I just love it. So that was fun. Have a great day, guys. May the grace of the Lord Jesus Christ be with you all.